Today, let's go over a premium easy question that I solved around half a year ago. So this one is called, as you can see, I solved last October. This one's called winner of the circular linked list game, or just winner of the linked list game. So you're given a head of a linked list and you know that it's going to be even. So it's going to be divisible by 2 without any remainders. And they give you this piece of information which says each odd index node contains an odd integer. So 0, 1 contains odd, and each even index node, so 0 to 4, contains an even integer. So we call each even index node and its next a pair. So essentially this is a pair, this is a pair, this is a pair, this is a pair, with the indices 0 and 1 are pair, and what I just said. And for every pair, we compare the values of the nodes in the pair. If the odd index node is higher, the odd team gets a point. If the even index is higher, the even team gets a point. And then you want to return the name of the team with the higher points. So if points are equal, return tie. Okay, cool. So as with a lot of linked list questions, the way I like to do it is just to create an array, iterate from left to right in the linked list to get all the values as integers, then move forward to the next node in the linked list, because linked lists work as pointers, and then print our array to see the values that we got. Okay, and now it's easier because we can actually work with this array, which we're going to iterate over from left to right. And we are going to start from 1 and go to up to not including. Well, we're going to go 2 at a time because we want to compare this pair and then this pair and then this pair instead of this pair and then this pair, because we already compared the 5. And now we just follow the instructions and compare each pair. So, okay. So first we have to ask if TMPI is the even pair. Else, if it's not the even pair, we do something else. So if it is the even pair, if TMPI is bigger than TMPI minus 1, then let's just say odd count, even count. Let's do this. So if current is the even and it's bigger than the next one, because you already know that the next one's going to be odd. If this is even, then we can say even count plus equal to 1. So else, if TMPI is less than TMPI plus 1, then we give a point to the odd team, because we still know that current one is even. So odd count plus equal to 1. Else, if they're equal to, then just say tie. So let's do this. Tie plus equal to 1. Same here. If the current is odd, then same thing. If it's bigger than the previous, then give a point to the odd team. If it is less than, because now you know this is odd, this is the even one. So if it's less than the even one, give 1 to the even team. So opposite of what we did up here. Then as always, increment tie if they're both the same number, which I don't think it's going to be, or we don't even need this conditional, because the requirement for a tie is just if odd and even come out to be the same at the very end. So let's print even count and odd count. Okay, cool. So in this case, well, let's just say if even count is bigger than odd count, return even, that string that they give you. If odd count is bigger than even count, return odd. Else, if they're equal, return tie. So that should work. Okay, and as you can see, it passes all test cases, and it's pretty intuitive because it's pretty simple. You just turn it into an array and manipulate it as if it were an original list. So hope this is helpful, and hope this video was enjoyable, and consider subscribing, and please stay tuned for more.